Hey everybody, it's game time. It is a glorious, a little bit overcast, but I like that around Christmas. I'm okay if it's cloudy around Christmas because then it feels more like Christmas. And in the South where it's not like crazy cold, although it's pretty cold here. Actually, people come here and get really surprised at how cold it can get, but it's still nothing like it could be like in Minnesota right now. But anyways, it feels very Christmassy, and I've given myself the gift of a box of 2018 playoff football. I did pretty good first time around. You can go back and watch that video. I think it was playoff that I pulled a 1-on-1 in Baker Mayfield. Or was that Rookies and Stars? Oh geez, I can't remember. Anyways, I remember feeling pretty satisfied with the first box, enough so that I went ahead and ordered another one. And I do have another Rookies and Stars on the way too, because I actually got robbed. Oh, let me show you guys. Hang on, let me get it. So I got robbed of a hit out of one of the boxes of Rookies and Stars, and I actually did send in all the stuff to Panini to request a replacement. And this is what they sent me. You don't have any choice, obviously, of what you get, but this is what they chose to send in place of my missing hit. So I did take action and followed their rules, which, well, it's not overly complicated, but I did end up spending like $2.60 something for shipping, and plus a padded envelope. I don't know if this is actually worth the cost and trouble I went through, but I don't know. I feel satisfied to have all my hits, although I should have had all my hits in the box when I opened it, but that's how the cookie crumbles, I guess. So anyways, that's what happened. That's the resolution to that. Just wanted to update on that before we get into this box. There are 12 packs, 8 cards per pack. This has now officially been out for what, maybe 2 weeks. So you're probably pretty familiar with it if you watch a lot of card break videos. And if you are into cards, you do know that this year's product so far, right now, costs more than playoff typically does. You can get a box of 16, 17 for in the $50 range. But this has, I think this has more hits. The 2 and 2, I'm almost positive. Unless I'm thinking of, playoff did have those mini boxes that had 1 and 1. I can't remember now. But anyways, comment below and let me know because I'm stupid. Alright, let's get into it. This does have the parallels like they've had, you know, first down, second down, third down, all that stuff. There's a Minka on the back. Alright, Tariq, Ramsey, Myles Garrett, Pryor, Robert Woods, a Thunder and Lightning. Who is that? Hopkins and, oh, Lamar Miller. A Michael Gallup, rookie wave, and a Minka rookie. Aaron Rodgers. Who is this? Oh, Cole. Oh, these cards are all messed up. Lewis, Curse. Here's a Diggs. Something turned around backwards. It is a first down parallel to, it's actually numbered. Let me get it in the right light. Yep, just checking. 1 of 99. So the first one made. Thunder and Lightning, Clay Matthews, and HaHa Clinton-Dix. Eli Manning, Air Command, and Tyler Conklin. It's the one rookie. So you only get 12 rookies in here. I guess you may get more if you get parallel versions. Not entirely sure. There's Dak, Marvin Jones Jr., Rivers, Le'Veon Bell, Russell Wilson, Playoff Heroes, Hidden Gems, Rodney Harrison, And a Ronald Jones, the second rookie. I think we might have a hit in this one. Nick Chubb, turn around backwards. Oh, sweet. A Nick Chubb autograph. And the print is gold. So let's see if this is numbered. I don't see. Turn it around before I drop it. Just giving it a good once over. I've been known to overlook any individual number. I'm not seeing any, but still. Nice pull. Very nice pull. Really surprised it's not numbered, but whatever. I'm not going to complain, that's for sure. Could have been way worse. And then Bradley Chubb, rookie wave. Christopher Herndon, the fourth. Sorry. It's the rookie card in that pack. Dalton. Oh, Kareem Hunt. Oh, what a mess is going on with him. Wow. If you haven't heard, he's got kicked off the team after a video surfaced of him kicking a woman. It was, ugh, it's a mess. Here's a Geno Atkins parallel. This is another first down to 99. Thielen and Diggs, Thunder and Lightning. Drew Brees, Air Command. Kiki Cootie. Or Cootie. I still can't remember. I think it's Cootie. Yeah, it is. Rookie. Still got several hits to go. Cole Beasley, Sanu, Kittle, Kamara, Derrick Henry, who had a huge game this week. Dan Marino, he finally showing what I knew he could do. Hidden Gems, Antonio Brown, and Jerome Baker. He was running full beast mode like he used to do at Alabama. Hopefully he keeps it up, because I have a good sized rookie collection of Henry stuff that I just couldn't bear to part with. I have some good stuff of his. Diggs, Baldwin, Thunder and Lightning, Kamara and Mark Ingram. Mariota, Air Command. Marquez Valdez Scantling rookie card. My base rookies have not been very good in this box. They're okay. I did get the Minka, but not the best selection. Although, there's a Saquon. Let's pull that out. That's a good one. Alright. Matt Ryan, Golden Tate, who really let me down in fantasy football this week. I was in the playoffs, and I stressed that was. Everybody performed well on my team except for Golden Tate. Vita Vea. That is a second down parallel to 49. Dan Marino, Playoff Heroes, and Air Command, Matt Ryan. I've always liked Golden Tate. I just knew he was going to come through for me, and he let me down in a big way. Oh well, I'll still be in the money. I'll make enough to buy a box of cards anyway. Cole Beasley and Ezekiel Elliott, Thunder and Lightning, Rookie Wave, Baker Mayfield, very nice. These look good. And Rashad Penny rookie card. Last couple of packs, and we're still looking for three. We got 3 packs, and we're looking for 3 hits. Please don't tell me I'm going to have to make another missing hit request. Seriously, I do not want to have to go through that again. Mahomes, Hearns, Matthew, Steels. Alright. Nick Chubb. Turning Pro, just a plain brown jersey. This is a Nuck Chubb. Nick Chubb. Nuck Chubb box. We can call it Nuck Chubb if we want to. This is not numbered again. Another hit not numbered. 2 Nook Chubs and neither's numbered. Dalton and Ronnie Harrison. Alright, looking for another hit here. Hope we get it. Oh man, I hope I don't get burned again on this. Deshaun Watson, Jordan Howard, Drew Brees, Mariota. Here's a Dylan Cantrell turned backwards. It is not an autograph. First down rookie to 99. Stargazing Julio, Zach Thomas hidden gems, and a Michael Gallup rookie. Well, apparently I'm going to get burnt again. I'm looking for 2 autos, 2 mem. This feels like a mem, and I've only got the 1 auto. Wow, what bad luck is that, for real? Unless this is something absolutely crazy. And it's a Jalen Samuels. Just a plain jersey. Wow, what terrible, terrible luck I'm having lately. Ridley, rookie wave, and Ray McLeod. Alright, let's do it again. Let's go back through. Make sure I didn't miss anything. That is super ass Stinksville. But let's do the check just to make sure. I am known to overlook things, although I don't think I would overlook an autograph. That is just crazy. Now I'm going to have to mail this box. Panini starting, I'm going to start getting suspicious. Luckily, I have this video I can easily reference. It's one good thing about opening boxes on camera. You have proof if something goes wrong. That's right, Panini. I'm not doing great advertising for you, am I? I'm showing people opening boxes without all the hits. Alright, let's go through the parallels and inserts just to be sure. If nothing else, you get to see what came out of this box again. I cannot believe that. 2 times. And completely bought from completely different sellers. This actually came off of eBay. I wonder if this is a widespread problem. Alright, let's look through the rookie cards, and then that'll be it. It's not here, it's nowhere. Yeah, it's somewhere. It's back with Panini. Well, that's it. I guess I will be going through the steps once again to try to get my missing autograph. Got these 2 plain ass jerseys and a nice autograph. But I'm missing one, so wah. Oh well. Alright, well, I'll be contacting Panini again. Panini, if you're watching this, yeah, it happened again. So hook a girl up with a missing card. I appreciate you. Hope everybody's having a great December day. Take care, and I'll be back soon.